Sadashiva describes yoga. The peak of yoga will be having the cosmic orgasm. காற்றை புணர்தல் களிநடம், ஆற்றை புணர்தல் அழுக்கார் அழித்தல், பிரபஞ்ச புணர்வே யோகம். It's actually one of the Apta Pramana, not Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana. A Thirumalar, a great saint. A blissful dance means it is literally having physical relationship with the air. Completion of the cleaning means literally having physical relationship with the river. And you literally have a relationship with the whole cosmos. The cosmic orgasm is yoga. So, body should reach its peak, which is actually beyond even sex. I am telling you, in the modern day, human beings don't reach even in the sexual act this peak. Human beings have basically become dull and insensitive. Your very frequency of existence has gone down. Yoga is actually all about raising your frequency. It is not about just bending the body. That's the way actually I learned yoga. Once my guru entangled me and he started showing the hands like this. I was teaching me yoga in the temple. So I just saw the temple tower and started climbing. It is around 150 feet tower and I climbed. On the top I am standing, suddenly he stopped entanglement. Now I don't know how to come down. I climbed on the top. And now I am sitting, oh God, how to come down? Then he entangled again and slowly brought me down. And then once he taught me pranayama and put some 2 feet beds, and he made me sit on the top and asked me to do certain pranayama, samana balancing, and then he removed all the beds, my body was on the air, and put his pet dog, if he comes down, bite him. And I'm sitting and that fellow is lying just under me. And around half an hour, then he said, all right, move. Then slowly he brought me down. At least half an hour I had to hold that samana, balancing. Once he told me to do Surya Namaskar. When the sun started rising, he said, start the Surya Namaskar. And then he told me, till I come back, continue. And he went away. He came back only after sunset. And then he is acting as if he doesn't know that whole day I am doing. But when he came with a gunny bag. A gunny bag is usually tied on the knees. If you have done too much of yoga and have any pain. Like a modern day, how you put that, what is that? Clay band. Olden days, in the villages, gunny bag is the clay band for the... Then I asked him, if you don't know I am doing, why did you come with a gunny bag? He said, I know. Then he put the gunny bag, like a clay band, and then made me rest. That's the first time I felt all the joints of the body. It was heavy yoga. He made me, and he prepared an amazing body. Actually, even to live in this body is so pleasant. Every time I remember, I am grateful to him. Body does not demand anything, no pain, doesn't get excited about anything, and all this does not come as a package as enlightenment. Please don't mistake. All this comes as a package as enlightenment. No. He specially prepared it. It's not that all enlightened masters radiate these qualities. Of course, when they become enlightened, when they want, they can download. That is different. In my case, he prepared the body itself. That is why I am so grateful to my gurus and Guru Parampara. That is going to be the unique contribution by our Sangha. How much ever we achieve, we will not move away from Hindu tradition and Guru Parampara Sampradaya. Our strength will be strength of Sanatana Dharma.